Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issue on any Android. Alright, let's begin. First, open Settings and go to Wi-Fi, Internet, or Connections, depending on your device. Tap the gear icon next to your connected network. Select Forget Network and then reconnect by entering your password again. This refreshes your Wi-Fi settings and often fixes connection problems. Next, open your Wi-Fi network settings and make sure Auto Reconnect is turned on. Also, set Metered Network to detect automatically if that option is available. If the issue continues, go back to Settings and open Battery Settings. Turn off Power Saving Mode. On some Android devices, power saving features can disconnect Wi-Fi in the background to conserve battery. Another effective solution is resetting your network settings. Open Settings and search for Reset. Select Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings or Network Reset, depending on your phone. Complete the reset and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Finally, check for software updates. Open Settings, go to Software Update, and install any available updates. Keeping your phone updated can fix bugs that affect Wi-Fi stability. So that's basically how you can fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issue on any Android. That's it for this video. Thanks!